there. Now, I realise you probably didn't come here for a history lesson, but bear with me. Because the old saying, you don't know where you're going until you know where you've been, applies to Ruark just as surely as it applies to the rest of us. Ruark is going to be 40 years old any day now. Time flies, doesn't it? And the very first product to bear the Ruark brand logo was a pair of two-way bookshelf speakers called Sabre. They were a big success both commercially and critically, and they laid the foundations for the company that Ruark has become. So, by way of a birthday present to itself, and by extension to the rest of us, Ruark has gone back to its roots. In this box is a pair of two-way bookshelf speakers called Sabre-R. I'm going to open this box, have a look around the speakers, and demonstrate that this is a company that not only knows where it's going, but also knows where it's been. So, this is a cardboard box, of course. What else would it be? But all of the packaging, in fact, that's involved here is cardboard, which makes perfect sense, of course, where recycling is concerned. It can only be a good thing. So, in the top of the box, a quick start guide, necessarily quick, I would have thought. Designed to be seen, engineered to be heard. Can't argue with that. Here's a free 3-year guarantee. You can argue even less with that. And here are a couple of pairs of sticky feet to decouple the speakers from the surface on which they're standing. Now, inside, in their protective bags, are both of the speakers. A 1 and a 2. It's a stereo pair after all. So we get them out of their bags, whoops, and have a good look around. Well, that's the back of this one. And hey, this is the back of this one as well. There we are. There you go. That's a pair of Ruark Sabre-R bookshelf loudspeakers. So, first things first, these are good looking little speakers, aren't they? This fused walnut veneer is impeccable in its eco-credentials. It looks and feels unusual, and there's also a charcoal lacquer alternative if you prefer. Either way, in a world of MDF cabinets wrapped in vinyl, the Sabre-R look and feel a fair bit more upmarket than the asking price might suggest. And their compact dimensions mean they're right at home on a shelf just as readily as on a dedicated speaker stand. These are passive loudspeakers, of course, so it's not as if they're groaning under the weight of their own functionality. You wire them to your amplifier. Ruark says that 25 to 100 watts should be plenty to drive these. And then you just sit back and enjoy the sound they make. So at the rear of the cabinet, there are 4 chunky gold-plated loudspeaker cable binding posts. These will accept spade connectors, bare wire, or 4mm banana plugs. Above there's an airflow bass reflex port that's tuned to 55 Hz and offers quite a lot of low-frequency reinforcement. As with all loudspeakers that are rear-ported, it's important to experiment with the position of the Sabre-R to make sure you're getting the sort of low-frequency activity you like. Ruark suggests that 15 to 20 centimetres from a rear surface should be just about right. Up front, there's a 26mm silk dome tweeter with a neodymium magnet and aluminium heatsink, and that's above a 15cm natural fibre mid-bass driver that's backed by a long throw motor with a powerful ceramic ring magnet and 30mm 4-layer voice coil. It's a good looking and quite purposeful driver array, but if you prefer a cleaner look, these grills attach magnetically, which means there's no lug holes in the baffle to spoil the appearance. Ruark tells me this arrangement is good for a typical frequency response of 50 Hz to 20 kHz, which is a technical way of saying extremely deep to excitingly high. And when you hear them in action, you'll realise that wide frequency response is just the beginning of their numerous sonic talents. So yes, it seems obvious that Ruark is a company that knows exactly where it's going and precisely where it's been. It seems that you can move forward by looking back. You can buy the Sabre-R from Ruark or any of its similarly high quality retail partners, and you can learn a lot more at ruarkaudio.com.